Wow, that went quick, didn't it? Here we are at Unit 10 already, and I know it has been a fast and furious experience, I'm sure. At any rate, here you are at the end, and it's really a time to reflect and look ahead. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're registered for your next course. Talk to advising if you're not sure where to go from here, but you want to make sure you continue to build on the momentum. So you're looking back at reflection. Unit 1, you examined Brookfield's four-lens model. And looking back at this, you were supposed to kind of keep this in mind throughout the course. So as we come to the final week, your assignment is a course reflection. And using the course reflection template, LinkedIn resources describe the four lenses, give examples. Each was active at different times. The four lenses, we're talking about Brookfield here. Evaluate your project. This could be Section 1, Section 2, subsection, Section 3. You can divide that up by section. So make sure that you go to the resources and you grab the document and just fill it in. And here's a scoring guide. Describes a reflection to guide thinking. Examples. Reflects on progress toward mastery and self goals. Specific next steps. Writes clearly and logically. Applies to AP style. So that's the rubric. And here's a template. So it's all set up. Replace this with introduction, critical thinking background, and then each of these, I say Section 1, Section 2, and each of these are there. Progress toward goals. So it's all right there. Just fill it in as you do. And don't forget to put the references in here with this. And the discussion for this week. Discussion 1 helps you to reflect and think back where you are now as compared to where you were at the beginning. So with that, it's just a great time to end up, to finish up and look ahead. It's been a real pleasure to work with you this term, and let me know if I can help you in any way. Best of luck in the future.